Okay, it's Sunday. We are down at the beehive, and it's been since last Sunday to actually get in the hive and see. I'm in the middle of the hive, and we have this comb going on, and I'm not sure why that is, but I just want to see what's going on. They've built a very big comb on it, so I still haven't been able to locate my queen, but I'm not really worried about it at the moment, because they are filling honey, and it looks like they are capping right there, and so maybe trying to see. There's so many in there, it's hard to tell. See, they got some capping going on there. So I was really hoping I could find the queen today. It's a little breezy. It's not terrible, and I can't tell of any eggs because they're just like all over it. So I did have a few ants earlier, but I put some cinnamon in the box and that seemed to help. And then we had a rain storm, so I'm not sure what to do with this comb. I guess just let it go. See why. Maybe you can tell me. I checked the other two. They are building them out also, but this is the heaviest one. Hopefully I can be able to tell if there's any larvae or eggs. That's what I'm looking for. Would love to find that queen, but that's okay.